My name is Emanuele Rampini, the Product Manager for the specialty range in Ergo Tractors, and I'm here to introduce you our top-level specialized tractor, the new Landini REX4 RoboShift. The new REX4 RoboShift family includes 5 models from the REX4 80 up to the REX4 120, ranging from 75 up to the maximum power of 112 horsepower. Thanks to the new Deutz AG Stage 5 engine, the tractor provides a boosted performance in terms of torque reserve, lower fuel consumption and higher power. The engine complies with the Stage 5 emission legislation thanks to the innovative after-treatment system, fully installed under the hood. The system has a very compact installation and it is composed by a passive regeneration DPF filter, a DOC catalyst and, for the models exceeding the 75 horsepower threshold, the SCR system and a 7.5 liters AD Blue tank in the front. The new layout allows the REX4 RoboShift to keep the same main dimensions of the previous Stage 3B model. Moving to its all-new transmission, the REX4 RoboShift offers 2 main configurations. The entry-level 36 forward plus 12 reverse speeds, or the 48 plus 16 with electro-hydraulic reverse power shuttle and fully robotized HML and speed shifts. But let's go inside to discover more about its features. The robotized HML and speed shifts are easily controlled by this new multifunction joystick that integrates the shift increase and decrease buttons for a manual control on the transmission, the auto power shift button to let the tractor to automatically shift the gears, the reverse power shuttle, the engine memo switch and 2 buttons dedicated to the front and the rear PTO. There is also a rotary lever dedicated to the front and rear electronic hitches. When the front or rear electro-hydraulic spool valves are available, they are also controlled by the joystick, thanks to its cross movements. The other main functions are ergonomically disposed on the new and comfortable layout of the right-hand console, which includes the hydraulic levers in case of mechanical rear spool valves, fingertips for the hydraulic motors control, the power take-off, the 4-wheel drive and the differential lock switches, all the electronic hitch setup commands with more additional commands under the openable soft armrest. In the front part of the console, a very useful smartphone holder with 2 USB charging ports and a 12-volt auxiliary power socket. The auto power shift combined with the stop and action and the ADS Advanced Driving System, our electronic steering system, allows the driver to fully focus on the work operation, taking the comfort of the new REX4 RoboShift to the highest levels. The REX4 tractors provide a perfect comfort on and off-road, but also a great field traction, thanks to the suspended cab and front axle configurations. The standard cab equipment, a structural frame suspended on either silent box with a Category 2 filtration system that protects the operator from dust and external agents, reaches its higher configuration with a mechanical suspension on 2 independent dampers and a Category 4 active carbon filters. The REX4 RoboShift family configuration can be completed with a wide offer of hydraulic options. The triple pump open center hydraulic circuit is very efficient and provides 36 liters per minute dedicated to the steering system and 58 plus 30 liters per minute dedicated to the front and rear spool valves or services that can be totally available at the front or at the rear. A total of 4 rear and 3 mid-mounted spool valves can be added to the standard equipment, even in a fully electro-hydraulic setup. Also up to 4 right plus 4 left mid-mounted quick couplers and a 4 or 6 ways flow divider with flow selector can be added to the configuration. Last but not least, the REX4 RoboShift can be equipped with a set of technological options, like the front and rear isobus that allows the tractor to dialogue directly with the newest implements, or the Landini Fleet Management that combined with the ADS, the Advanced Driving System, makes the tractor ready for the latest assisted driving systems. Landini, passion for innovation.